All right, creating a social post with Magic Writer should be pretty quick and easy. Simply find an article. You have all your feeds here. You can click around and choose different feeds. But once you find the article that you would like to use, you simply click on Create Post. And what's going to happen is it's going to open up a window for your article, and it's going to open up a window for Magic Writer. What I usually like to do, just to make it easier, is I open them up side by side. You have your article here so you can read. Um, and then you have Magic Writer over here. What I recommend first time, start with share an excerpt, and it's going to give you instructions. But you'll come over here in your article, and let's just say we want to take this as the excerpt. You copy it, come over here and you paste it, and then you just go down the path and you answer your questions. And I'm just going to fill in gibberish. But you've got your article here so you can read it, come in here and do your answers. And then when you're done, voila, this is going to be a well-written, engaging social post for you. You're more than welcome to come in here and edit it. You can delete things if you'd like. And then down here, you simply click schedule to publish, and you schedule the date and time that you'd like for it to publish. And that is it. You're off and running with your first Magic Writer social post. Enjoy.